Hey all, I've got this GE 1911 kidney oscillator motor right here that I just pulled the back cover off of, and I got the rotor out of there. This thing's pretty nasty. And I'm going to dress the shaft on it a little bit. The bearings aren't real bad, but they do have some wear in them, so I'm going to go ahead and put new bearings in this. I think the owner's going to completely restore it with powder coating and everything, so it'd be nice to have all new bearings to go back in this thing. So I'm going to get it cleaned up, make a new rear bearing for it here, put all new thrust washers in it, adjust the end play, and do everything that we need to do. So I've already made all new motor screws for it and everything, so we're going to get into it just a little bit deeper here. All right, take care. All right, so let's see. We got the rotor all cleaned up. The rotor's ready to go back in there. Polish these up a little bit. There's the old bearing that come out. The new bearing fixed to go in there, and I got all these other little parts and pieces. Some of them clean, some of them not. That cleaned up real good on the inside of there. So that's just kind of a little bit about where I'm at right now. We're fixing to, still got to make the rear bearing, and then I'll be putting it all together and adjusting everything here pretty quick. So stand by. All right, we got this motor all back together. Got new bearings in it, front and rear. There's the old ones that come out of there. And I got all these fittings and everything cleaned up. All new thrust washers, got everything adjusted. Got it hooked up to a test lead switch right here. It's a 3-conductor head wire, so it's got to go through the switch in order to start. And I'm going to plug it in, and let's watch it run. All right, here we go. All right, power on. And boy, I tell you, that's one of the quietest running motors I've seen in a long time. So everything's back together and is ready to go for paint. All right.